Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best nail clippers is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked tools for maintaining healthy feet and hands. Finding the perfect pair can significantly improve your nail care routine, preventing ingrown nails, and ensuring a clean, precise cut every time. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing nail clippers, helping you select the ideal tool for your needs, whether you prefer a classic design or something more innovative. Number 5. SZQHT Ultra Wide Nail Clippers. These clippers are designed for durability and precision, making them perfect for thick or hard nails. They're ideal for anyone, regardless of age or nail type. With a jaw opening up to 15 millimeters, it easily trims even the toughest nails. No more struggling with thick or hard toenails. Made from premium stainless steel, it provides sharpness and precision cutting. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use. Whether you have thick toenails, or need a clipper for everyday use, this set is perfect for men, women, seniors, and even pets. It's also great for travel. This set includes a professional nail clipper and a stainless steel nail file. Everything you need for a perfect manicure or pedicure is right here. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer hassle-free replacements or refunds. Try them today. What we like. It boasts an ultra-wide jaw, easily handling even the toughest nails. Made from premium stainless steel, it's built to last. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, making nail care a breeze. If you have thick or hard toenails, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It is sharp and durable. It's easy to grip and doesn't slip out of our hands. It is strong enough to clip men's nails. It cut with ease and it's very easy to handle. It cut the nail with great precision and it's very sharp, so it cut with one clip. Its size of the clipper is perfect, not too big or small, and it comes with case. Very wide and sharp, easy to use. The oversized jaw was the ticket, plus the larger size gives you the balance to cut exactly where you want to cut. Number 4. Nail Clippers Set. It's designed to cradle your fingers, giving you more control and confidence when clipping your nails. Enjoy a comfortable and easy clipping experience. With its hand-sharpened stainless steel blades, it cuts thick nails smoothly and easily. Say goodbye to struggling with tough nails. It comes in a handy zippered pouch, perfect for tossing in your bag. Keep your nails looking great wherever you go. This set includes both large and small clippers, providing the right tool for fingernails and toenails. Minimize the risk of spreading nail fungus with this precise tool. Looking for a practical and stylish gift? This set is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their nails neat and tidy. It's a gift they'll actually use. What we like. Its hand-sharpened stainless steel blades make cutting thick nails effortless. You'll get a smooth cut every time, reducing the need for filing. The convenient pouch makes it perfect for travel. If you are looking for a clipper that provides a smooth, easy cut without the hassle, this is for you. What people say. They're easy to hold and grip. Very durable and high-quality material. You can clip your nails without these sliding out of your hands. They're so easy to use. They do the job and they do it well. They're accurate and give you a clean cut every time. When the set arrived, my wife and I could not get over how high quality and sturdy they felt. The real test though is how well do they cut. Well, I can honestly say they are the best clippers that I have ever used. They are very sharp and have no problem cutting thick nails. The clippers do a great job of cutting and leaving you with a smooth nail edge. So you won't be surprised to know that they work like a dream. They are comfortable in my hand, the lever is strong and sturdy, and the cuts are clean and precise. The smaller size is still hefty enough to hold easily, and the larger size is not so big as to be awkward. They come with their own slim, nicely designed, waterproof carrying case, great for keeping them clean and dry, a nice touch, because I often seem to misplace clippers, and I really want to hold on to this pair. Number 3. Huing Podiatrist Toenail Clippers. It's specially designed with a sharp curved blade, making cutting ingrown and thick nails easier than ever before. Experience a comfortable and efficient nail trimming process. These clippers are crafted from high-quality surgical-grade stainless steel, ensuring they're rust-resistant and built to last. Enjoy long-lasting durability and reliable performance. Unlike single-spring clippers, it features an upgraded double-spring mechanism. This ensures a smooth, long-lasting cutting action and extends its lifespan. The handle is made of comfortable, non-slip ABS material. Its ergonomic design provides a firm grip, making nail trimming effortless and comfortable. It's easy to clean and maintain, making it a sustainable and hygienic choice for your nail care needs. Enjoy long-term use with minimal effort. It's the perfect solution for trimming thick and ingrown toenails. Experience the difference of professional-grade nail clippers designed for comfort and lasting performance. What we like. This clipper features a specially designed curved blade, perfect for ingrown and thick nails. Made from high-quality surgical-grade stainless steel, it's incredibly durable. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. If you're dealing with ingrown or thick toenails, this clipper is your solution. What people say. The sharp curved blade is specifically tailored for tackling those pesky ingrown nails with ease. Made from high-quality surgical-grade stainless steel, these clippers are not only durable but also rust-resistant. The updated handle design is a stroke of genius. Crafted from ABS material, it provides a non-slip grip that feels comfortable in hand, allowing for precise and controlled cutting without any slipping or discomfort. The substantial handles mean I can watch the cutting blades, not the handle, ensuring a careful cut, not slipping to take too much nail or something else not intended. I find the curve to the blade much more appropriate to my toenail size than standard clippers. Number 2. Wanmat Ingrown Toenail Clippers. Are you struggling with painful ingrown toenails? These clippers are designed to tackle even the toughest nails safely and easily. Get relief and keep your feet healthy. These clippers are specially designed by podiatrists for ingrown and thick nails. The tools are perfect for seniors, athletes, and anyone with nail problems. The uniquely angled blades precisely trim ingrown nails without causing pain. Its 18 mm edge easily reaches into the perineum to cut thick nails simply. Made from high-quality surgical stainless steel, these clippers are incredibly sharp and durable. They'll easily cut through even the thickest nails without rusting or tarnishing. The updated, non-slip handle makes these clippers comfortable and easy to use, even for those with arthritis. The double spring mechanism makes trimming effortless. This kit includes both a toenail trimmer and an ingrown toenail file lifter. It's everything you need for complete toenail care. What we like. This clipper is specifically designed to safely trim ingrown toenails, relieving pain and preventing infection. The sharp yet safe blades ensure precise cutting without hurting. The updated handle makes it easy to use, even for those with arthritis. If you suffer from ingrown toenails, this is a must-have. Number 1. Senior Toenail Clippers Kit. This kit is designed to make nail care easier and more comfortable for seniors. It includes everything you need for a perfect trim. These clippers feature a classic curved blade and comfortable rubber handle, perfect for thick or ingrown nails. They're designed for ease of use and a secure grip. The rotating head allows you to find the perfect angle for trimming, regardless of your flexibility or dexterity. It's ideal for those with arthritis or limited mobility. This clever design prevents nail clippings from scattering, keeping your workspace clean and tidy. It's a simple feature that makes a big difference. In addition to the clippers, this kit includes an ingrown toenail file, nail lifter, and cuticle pusher. Everything is neatly stored in a stainless steel box for easy portability. With its thoughtful design and comprehensive tools, this kit simplifies nail care and promotes healthy nails. Enjoy effortless and comfortable nail trimming. What we like. This kit offers a variety of tools to meet all your nail care needs, including a rotating clipper for hard-to-reach nails. The tools are packaged in a convenient storage box for easy organization and travel. If you want a complete nail care solution, this kit is for you. What people say. The mechanisms are very smooth in the actual clippers themselves. All of the little tools come in handy if you need to push your cuticles back or simply lift up an ingrown toenail. These clippers are the most comfortable to use because they actually fit my hands. These are a perfect shape, and almost too sharp. These come nestled in a nice metal box with foam inlay. There are regular clippers, a large plier, like heavy-duty clipper, 3 cuticle tools, one of which is an ingrown toenail file. The coolest thing is a pair of offset clippers where the head swivels 360 degrees for clipping at any angle. I use it far more than I thought I would. But I use every tool in the box and they are all steel and all sharp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.